From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, kind of a cloudyish day across the areas. We take a look at our drone cam and Power Doppler 3 here. Lots of high clouds and some stratiform clouds from showers and storms that have been to the east of us. And these clouds are keeping the temperatures down late this afternoon, as we showed you a little bit earlier. Hey, look out for that tower there. Got to be careful. Got to keep distance. But nonetheless, cloudy skies, all thanks to this disturbance that we'll get to in just a bit. Weather across the nation, well, it's been busy. Some strong to severe storms over in the east, but the main action this evening is with what we call a derecho event, a high impact thunderstorm event that covers a large area, and these storms have been producing widespread 60, 70, 80 mile per hour winds. The storms are moving at 50, and then you get just plain old thunderstorm gusts at 35 out ahead of these storms, and there you go, you have 80 mile per hour winds. So some damaging storms up across southeastern South Dakota, now moving into Iowa and southwestern Minnesota. Meanwhile, our weather being dominated by disturbance. It's a little bit of a tropical wave, but there's also an upper level feature to this. This is the same feature that moved into Texas along the Sabine River late Friday, Saturday. It moved up into the northern part of the state Sunday, Monday. Our rain chances went down. Today, it's moved back down to the south, and tomorrow it'll be drifting westward. So around and round we go with these tropical disturbances, upper level disturbances, which means up and down rain chances. And you can see solid rainfall, although not as intense as it was earlier this afternoon across portions of Mississippi. Look at those storms with a lot of cloud to ground lightning, wet conditions. There was some minor flooding in the NOLA area earlier today. Now those showers beginning to diminish as we take a look at Power Doppler 3 here from our vantage point. We can see just light sprinkles working their way westward across the Chaffalay Basin. Might see some of those sprinkles as we head to the 7, 8 o'clock hour, but we're not looking at a whole lot in the way of storms. This activity should continue to collapse with the loss of daytime heating, but we do have some moderate rainfall down towards Stevensville, Morgan City, Patterson, and eastern portions of St. Mary Parish. Some showers by Sherrington north of Franklin, and then as we get back Jeanerette on northwestward, a relatively quiet scenario. We do have a little bit of an isolated shower showing up here northeast of Port Barry, but most of us relatively quiet. And you can see how the storms are firing up earlier in the day at purple, corresponding to minus 80-degree temperatures, cloud temperatures. So those are high clouds up there across Mississippi, and some very hefty storms. Elsewhere, as we open it on up, got a little bit of a tropical wave here down by the Yucatan. No concern. A little bit of an upper level disturbance, Western Caribbean. Here's Bonnie. This kind of threw us for a loop. We thought Bonnie would get a new name going into the new basin, but it held itself together, crossing Central America. Now is a hurricane, Cat 3 winds, 115 mile per hour winds, but this is going to be moving out to sea and dying out to sea in the next 5 to 6 days ahead. No new developments expected here in the Atlantic Basin for the next 5 days or more, so that is certainly good news, but it's only July. It's still way early in the tropical game for this year. So as we take a look at the tropical moisture, it actually decreases a little bit Friday, Saturday, but picks back up on Sunday. So we're going to have these up and down rain chances going with us over the next several days, more than likely for the bulk of the 10-day forecast. So showers and storms kicking up first thing tomorrow morning and a little bit earlier. That's why we're going to keep our temperatures mostly in the 80s tomorrow. May see a fair bit of 70s as well, so not as hot. Again, not everybody getting wet, not everybody getting a big downpour, but nonetheless, these showers and storms will dominate for the day. Temperatures topping out in the upper 80s. Same feature continues to drift a little bit farther to the west going into Thursday, so activity becomes a little bit more scattered in nature and rain chances back down. We go 70% tomorrow, about 40% for Wednesday, and again, rainfall goes anywhere from nothing to maybe an inch or two and some locally heavy downpours. Could see isolated more than that. That could cause some localized street flooding if those storms get over somewhat more urban areas. So overnight tonight, 77 the low, mostly cloudy skies dominating, maybe a passing shower, but not expecting much shower-wise. Then getting into tomorrow, different day, different story. Scattered showers and thunderstorms developing by mid-morning as we see on the TrueView forecast. Some locally heavy downpours and maybe the cooler side of 90 degrees, if that's such a thing. 89 with our humidity is not too terribly comfortable either. So it looks like a good day to bring the rain gear for tomorrow. Have it ready. Be ready for some wet roads. And then as we move forward, rain chances down to about 40% for Thursday, 20 to 30% Friday, Saturday. That means the mid-90s will be coming back. And so far, the atmosphere is outperforming the model guidance, saying highs lower 90s. That's what it was going for Sunday and Monday, and we had mid-90s. So we're going to see more of those. We're working on one of the hotter starts to summer that we've seen in a number of years. The way it's been going. It's the pattern.
All right. Thanks, Rob.